What started off a brilliant morning is turning out to be a bit of a disaster. Thanks to Gabby. Bobcat, you're a star, my boy. You are a naughty girl. Ish, Gabs. He really doesn't like hyena. Gabs. Hey everyone, so there has been an awful amount of requests for Bobcat merchandise. So we've gone ahead and created a line specifically for Bobcat, and you can go and check it out below this video. If you can't find it there, we'll put a link in the description. I hope you like the products. I think they've turned out really, really well. What I do want to know from you is which character would you like to see next? So please do put that in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. Hope you enjoy. Hey boy, can you move back a bit? Thank you. Thank you. Gabs. Bobcat. Oh. Slowly, big boy. Yeah. Yeah. It's me. It's me. Hello, boy. Everyone's probably wondering, what on earth am I doing with the lion so early in the morning? But what I'm trying to demonstrate, and maybe now I'm going to get Bobcat, that eerie eyeshine that you see on lions and other animals at night. Especially the predators seem to have a more of a reddish tinge to the reflection. And that is a reflective layer in the back of, behind the retina, called the tapetum lucida. Come on, Bobcat, I know you want to roar. Love that in peace there. Hello, Gabs. Yeah, now you're all excited, eh? Yeah, we're gonna go walking. Can you get? All right. And so good morning, everybody. Just loaded Bobcat and Gabby. They are extremely frisky because it is freezing cold here, and they have super amounts of energy. But we are on our way to take both Bobcat and Gabby out for a walk. But today it's going to be a walk with a bit of a twist, because I'm doing another episode of Sense and Sensibilities, and today is Sights in Lion. So we are approaching the area where we are going to be letting Bobcat and Gabby out. If you saw earlier, what I was trying to demonstrate is the eye shine that you see in the lion's eye when you shine a light past it or in it. And this eye shine, this eerie eye shine that we see in the bush when we take our spotlight and we kind of just pan it across the environment, and we see all these eyes reflecting back at us. That is because those animals that have that eye shine have a reflective layer at the back of the retina called the tapetum lucida, and this shiny reflective layer is designed to reflect light back into the retina. So it is a mechanism, an adaptation to maximize the ambient light that's available to the eye. The guides have put out a whole bunch of things in the area where we're going to be walking, and we're going to put the human versus the lion, and we're going to see who spots the objects first. Look at them waiting so patiently. Hey? Okay, my boy, ready? 2, 3, go! Gab. Alright. Hello, boy. She's spotted something. Bobcat's rolling around over there, so he's not really interested. But Gabby is onto something. I wonder what they've put out here. I already see something. I'm already, my lion vision is in tune because I've already seen something. I don't think she can see it from her height, but yeah, certainly it stood out like a sore thumb for me, and it's a cardboard box in a tree. What were they thinking? Cardboard box. Oh, I see something too. I see another thing. Okay. Oh, look at that. So on the other side of the fence is a giraffe, and Gabby has spotted the giraffe. What brilliant vision. It's standing dead still, and I can't, well, I can see it now, but I was wondering what she was looking at earlier. Now I know. So I just want to try and creep around the front of Gab's. You can see a very good adaptation. Gabs! No, Gabby! Right, so she's seen Bobcat, she's going to hide away from him. She's full of it today. Stalking Bobcat. Stalking Bobcat, that's good fun. That's good fun. Gabby never disappoints. Go and get him, go and get him. There we go, get him, get him, get him, get him. Okay guys, so my vision is clearly a lot better than a lion's because I've seen so many different things, and I've seen one there now. I don't know what she's going to make of that, or what he's going to make of that. Is that a hyena? I think we've seen a hyena. Oh, yeah, he's seen it. Disappointment. The hyena. Let's see if we can get Gabby. Look at Gabby. Look at her face. Oh, she's got the hyena. That's a goner. Gabs, don't break it. Okay, well that was a hyena. Gabby's trophy. The trophy hyena. Sure, I see a lot of things in this enclosure before the lions are seeing them. So even though she knows that that's not a real hyena, it still gives her great pleasure destroying it. And that's part of the fun. Ish, Gabs! She really doesn't like hyena. Oh my gosh. I want you to look at her eye carefully and closely. And I'll try and get you a good close-up. But around a lion's eye, and in fact it actually is around the circumference, is this white, but more prominent here, just below the eye. So just underlining the eye, there's this very prominent white stripe. And when you don't point it out to people, people actually don't notice it. And then as soon as you point it out, they go, oh my gosh, I never noticed that. And what that stripe's job is to reflect any light into the eye. So you got that tapetum lucida, that is the reflective layer, and then you've got all these other little mechanisms that are designed to bounce that light into that reflective layer, and that's what that white stripe under Gabby's eye does. Listen, Gabs, I've seen 5 objects already, and you've only seen 1. Does that mean a human's sight is better than a lion's? And let the truth be known, actually in the daytime, our sight is not too different. Gab, it is finished. It is over. Hey? Oh my gosh. Okay, I've seen so many other things, man. Gabs, we're gonna head off that way. Some nice things there. So daytime vision, not too different, excepting one big difference. If you look at the amounts of rods and cones in the lion's eye versus a human's, we have a lot more cones than a lion, and the cones are responsible for the color vision. They have a lot more rods, so they have better low light vision. What does that do? That enables us to see better color. So we see full color vision, whereas the lion is not got full color vision. It sees mainly greens and blues, and there is some argument as to whether they can see a bit of yellow too, but definitely not the reds. So when a lion is looking at the world as I'm looking at it now, the reds are not there. So we don't see any of those reds and those vibrant colors. It's a slightly dulled down version of blues and greens. And that's because they are lacking cones. The photoreceptors called cones in the eye. So different between the human eye and the lion's eye. Now if you think about it, guys, why would a lion need good color vision at night? Because when you look at nighttime, when next, and I challenge you to do this, go outside at night and look and see what color you can see. Absolutely no color. Color just goes away at night. So it makes sense for a nocturnal animal like a lion to have to not have great color vision, because it's not really needed at night. What they need is they need light sensitivity, hence more of the rods in the eye, and hence that 8 times better vision than what we have at night. So yeah, if there was any doubt as to whether or not lions were nocturnal, may all that doubt be removed, because these eyes are well adapted to night vision. The stripe under the eye, the reflective layer, and all those rods that we don't have, those light sensitive rods. So that makes that kitty cat over there, look at her stripe under the eye, look at the stripes. It makes her eyes very, very good for low light vision. There we go. Give us a good look there. Go. Okay, Gabs. Yeah, look at that. Look at that stripe. Beautiful stripe. She's always scanning. So look what she's doing there. She's scanning, looking for movement. And as soon as she sees movement, then she stops and stares and waits. And she waits to see what that movement does. Okay, oh, look who she's seen. Okay, now, look what she's seen. Okay. So that's exactly what I'm talking about. She's seen... No, Gabby! Gabby! I am not Bobcat. Oh. Yeah, that's what happens when you scare him. Yeah. She's so naughty. Yeah, I can hear the vehicle coming. You'll see she'll be able to hear it soon. Like that. You notice that? You see that? That's far more interesting, because you know what? That is the vehicle that we get free food from. That's the vehicle that brings us treats. That's the vehicle that takes us to nice places. Ooh, I heard that. Let me see if I can see it. Gabby is determined to go. Excited to go. Gabby! She's got a hole. Yeah. Gabby! She's just done that other one. Gabby! She's bit 2 tires. She better not bite anymore. Gabby! Yeah, Bobcat. Alright guys, so Gabby is away. Naughty Gabby, feeling a little bit dejected because she's been shouted at. But yeah, we are 3 tires down. 3 tires down. 1, 2, and 3. What started off a brilliant morning is turning out to be a bit of a disaster, thanks to Gabalicious. Yeah, give her a stick, Bobcat. So the guys seemingly have changed 3 wheels in record time. Thank you very much. We had to hijack 3 spares off another vehicle to make sure that we could get this vehicle going. So well done, guys. But yeah, here comes the culprit. That naughty Gabby. I don't think I've ever shouted so much in my life. Thanks, guys. All right, back on track. Naughty Gabby. Hello, Gab. Oh, you know you've been a naughty girl. You know you've been a naughty girl. Gabs, are you sulking? Are you sulking? Are you sulking, my Sue? Are you sulking, Sue? Do not know what got into Gabby today. Certainly, it's the first time in a long time that she's gone off the tires like that, and not just 1 tire. She bit 3 tires, so she's completely ruined 3 tires, and we're going to have to replace those because they are not repairable. There's holes a few centimeters long in multiple places. For sure, I think people out there are going to be entertained by Gabby, because yeah, it's always Kevin running after Gabby screaming, Gabby! Gabby! No, Gabby! It seems all I do when I take Gabby out. Gabby is a character of note. Not a bad bone in her body, I might add. She's just one of those cats that's just so full of beans and full of life. So Gabby, who doesn't love Gabby? She's just such a, she's a cool cat, and can't really get upset with her for doing that, for biting the tires. Just part of the fun, part of making these videos, I suppose. So, all right, so Bobcat and Gabby are successfully offloaded. We're on our way now to fetch Vaitsi, Livy and Ginny, take them out on a similar route and see what they pick up.